Have you ever noticed how society seems totally fine with older men dating younger women, but when it's the other way around, people suddenly have a lot to say? Why does dating across an age gap feel so controversial for older women and younger men, even though love is love? Welcome to Mind Matters Expert. Today we're going to have a candid conversation about age gap relationships, especially those where the woman is older and the man is younger. We'll explore why these relationships happen, what draws people together, the challenges they face, and how to make them thrive. Stick around. You might see love in a whole new light. So, why are mature women increasingly choosing younger partners? It's not just about stereotypes or labels like cougar or toy boy. The reality is far more and meaningful. Many older women actively choose younger partners, and there are some really good reasons behind this. For starters, younger generations often share modern mindsets. They're more open to discussions about equality, mental health, and personal freedom. For many older women, this alignment in values creates a deeper emotional bond and makes communication smoother and more fulfilling. Then there's the renewed confidence and compatibility that comes with age. As women grow older, many experience clarity about their lives, their sexuality, and what they truly want. This confidence, when paired with the energy and openness of a younger partner, can create a truly fulfilling dynamic. And we can't forget simpler life circumstances. With age often comes responsibilities like family obligations, past relationships, finances, and even caregiving. Younger partners usually bring fewer complications, which makes the relationship feel lighter, easier, and more fun. But it's not a one-sided story. Younger men have their reasons for being drawn to older women, and it goes far beyond physical attraction. One of the biggest draws is less pressure and more freedom. Older women are often at a stage where traditional milestones, marriage or children, aren't the focus anymore. For younger men, that flexibility makes the relationship more relaxed and comfortable. Emotional maturity is another key factor. Older women tend to have a strong sense of self. They know what they want, how to communicate it, and how to handle life's challenges. That kind of maturity creates a stable, satisfying emotional connection. And let's not forget confidence in intimacy. Experience and self-awareness often translate into better communication in the bedroom and a deeper understanding of what both partners enjoy. Many younger men find that clarity not only appealing but energizing. Then there's the sense of validation. Being appreciated by someone experienced and confident can boost anyone's self-esteem. Even historical figures like Benjamin Franklin highlighted the benefits of relationships with older women, showing that this attraction has been recognized for centuries. Historically, men were almost always the older partner. Social expectations and financial stability made this the norm. But today, things are changing. According to a research, a significant number of women over 40 have dated younger men, and the trend is growing. Several factors are driving this shift. Financial independence allows women to choose partners based on compatibility rather than necessity. Evolving gender roles encourage equality in relationships, and being with someone at a different life stage can open opportunities for personal growth. Research also shows that these relationships often report high levels of satisfaction, especially in emotional and physical connection. Of course, every relationship comes with its challenges, and age gap partnerships are no exception. Social criticism and labels remain an obstacle. Despite progress, society still judges these relationships unfairly. Couples may face gossip, unwanted opinions, and labels that create stress outside the relationship itself. Generational differences can also create friction. Growing up in different decades often means having different cultural references, priorities, and ways of seeing the world. While these differences can offer fresh perspectives, they can also lead to misunderstandings. Long-term considerations are important too. Topics like health, aging, and future life goals require honest conversations and planning together. Navigating these differences thoughtfully is key to keeping the relationship strong. So, how can these relationships be strong and lasting? Well, communication is everything. Honest, open discussions help address expectations, insecurities, and external pressures. It's also crucial to appreciate individual differences. No two people are the same, and those differences are, honestly, opportunities for growth. Mutual support is essential too. Life has its ups and downs, and being emotionally available for each other is a must. Conflicts will happen, but handling them constructively, with respect and understanding, can actually strengthen the bond. Creating meaningful traditions also helps, whether it's sharing a morning coffee, planning weekly date nights, or adding little surprises. These rituals really deepen emotional connection. Keeping expectations realistic is important as well. Nobody's perfect, and accepting flaws is part of building a lasting relationship. Finally, addressing personal insecurities is crucial. Especially in age gap relationships, insecurities can arise easily. Working on yourself individually prevents unnecessary strain on the partnership. At the end of the day, love is about connection, not numbers. Relationships between older women and younger men may challenge societal norms, but they also open doors to deeper understanding, balance, and fulfillment. Yes, these relationships may require more effort and resilience, particularly when facing judgment, but the rewards, growth, passion, and fresh perspectives can be extraordinary. Now, let's turn it over to you. Here's a little challenge. Think about your circle of friends, or examples you've seen in media. Can you identify 3 age gap relationships that defied stereotypes and thrived? Or maybe you've witnessed one yourself. Comment below. And here's a quick quiz for you. First, true or false, older women dating younger men are becoming increasingly accepted in society. Second, name one major benefit younger men report about dating older women. And third, what's one tip for keeping an age gap relationship strong? Drop your answers in the comments. I'll be reading them. If you found this conversation insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mind Matters Expert. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a deep dive into fascinating topics about relationships, psychology, and modern life. Remember, understanding love is just the first step toward experiencing it fully.